Welcome back, my beautiful people. How you all doing today? Today I'm planting some potato, some red potato. Yeah, I'm planting these today. This is nice for mashed potato. It really tasty. Plant some last year and I harvest so much. If you go on my channel, you can see how to harvest potato, and you're gonna see a lot of potato that I get. So this is the way I plant them, and this is the way I get great result. So because I'm getting great result from them this way, I'm gonna continue planting them this way. Like I said, everybody have their own way, but I'm doing it my way because I'm getting great result. So you could watch my channel, you could learn something, you could watch other channel, you could learn something, and there you come up from keep planting. You're gonna learn along the way. You're gonna learn the best time to plant them, you're gonna learn the best time to harvest, and you're gonna learn the best how to plant them. But you got to remember, potato love to be the root, the dot supposed to be very soft. Okay, because the more softer the dot be, is the more they're gonna spread and give you more potato. If the dot is hard, then the potato cannot expand. So you're gonna get small potato. So always remember, it's wise to dig, soften the earth, and always remember to try and soften the earth over the time for the potato. Okay? So I have a bag here with some potato. I have the camera in my hand, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me. But this is what I have here. These potato. So I'm going and plant them here now. So this is how I do it. I dig my hole. You seeing me, right? I dig my hole and I put it down inside here. It's already start growing already, so that's good. So now I just cover it back. I can cover that, but I'm not gonna cover it because there's no need for me to. Okay, so that's one there. I'm gonna come get a little more space, give that one space to grow, and I'm gonna plant this one right here. You see? So I cover that. You come a little further and you dig again and you push this one right down here and you cover it up again. You come a little further and you dig and you plant this one down inside there and you fold it up and cover it, and you just keep going. So I dig another hole right here and you push it down in there and you cover it up. And you just keep going over. Dig another hole right here and you just plant it down again. Guys, this is my way, and like I said, I gain a lot of potato this way. A lot of people tell me, why you don't plant it in bed? I mean, you could plant it in bed. I don't think there's anything. Look, this one is from last year. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna plant it even a little further. Okay? Yeah. You could plant in bed. I mean, nothing wrong with that. But I like to plant in banks. I like to plant in banks. Nothing wrong with planting in bed, but I enjoy planting in banks. So I'm not going to tell you, oh, don't plant them in bed, it's not good. I can't do that. I just love planting my potato in banks. Yes guys, so you see the project here. You see how I plant my potato. And if you subscribe to my channel, you will able to see the result. You will able to see the result from these potatoes. You will able to see how they grow. You will able to see harvest time. I mean, you buy 3 bags of this potato slip seed and you end up with 37. So now you have 37 holes of potato. That's a lot of potato. When I say a lot of potato, I mean for your garden. I'm not talking for, you know, your farm and all them kind of stuff. That's nothing. But for like you have your little backyard garden, 37 hole is pretty good. This is my second set of potato I plant for this year. I already planted some. So soon I'm gonna have a lot of potato pushing up here in this backyard. Guys, I thank you guys for watching my videos. You know, you guys motivate me to make more videos, honestly. You guys motivate me. Thank you all for the comments. If you have any question, feel free to ask them. I will answer them with the best of my knowledge. So we're getting ready. In a few days, we're going to be talking about spring. We're going to be talking about spring in a few days. But a lot of people waiting for the spring. But I like to be ahead. By the time spring fully starts, I like to see my garden already looking nice, you know. Already looking nice. Because it takes a while for everything to grow up and looking like they're growing. So time is short, so you got to try to get them things in the earth as early as possible. Because the more earlier you put them in the earth, you could even forget a lot from them. Who knows, you might even forget 2 crops of potato, depends on the time you plant. Yes guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel, because we have lots of great video coming. You could also share the channel if you like. Feel free to comment, ask any question you want. I'll answer the best of my knowledge. Thank you guys for your support. Love you guys.